Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 17th to 23rd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's start for my Leos now. Let's see what are the messages for my Leos for 17th of August till 23rd of August. For my Leos, please. Alright, so last shuffle. At the back of the deck, it's the Five of Rods. I'm seeing you that you are actually giving a lot of effort and a lot of patience into something. You know, like whether it's a competition, whether it's a job, whether it can be anything, but you are giving a lot of your energy. And this might be new with the Ace of Cups over here. Yeah. So something like that, where you are very much focused. I'm seeing you into something very much focused. Alright, so your past energies are Ten of Rods, Knight of Swords, and King of Swords. So they were really fast and energetic. Your past energies were like you were not staying at one place. It was just like, sometimes this thing, sometimes that thing happening. Because a lot of swords and rods are over here, so things were very fast, and they were like I'm seeing that you are even battling. For some of you, you're fighting a battle or something, like, and because of that thing, a lot of pressure might be created on you. Basically, this is something that you are involved in something, let's say, like any issue, any case, any situation. You are giving all your energies into that thing, and because of that thing, you don't have even time for yourself. You are investing all your energies. You are so much fast. See how you are just working on your stuff over here, and it's a lot of pressure on you, like it's only you who can do that thing. All right, so it was that thing. In your present energies, I'm seeing that you have Ten of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, and Ten of Cups. So the things have been done. You might have even ended, like, because of all the situation, you might have ended something, and now you're waiting for the fruits. You're waiting for the fruition to happen. So this might bring you happiness. Basically, you're waiting right now because whatever you have done in past, whatever steps you have taken, whatever actions you have done in your past, I'm seeing that you're waiting for all those actions as a reward or anything. All right, so it might be for a job, something more, or might be like something, any competition, anywhere you applied, and you're waiting for that because you have worked really hard for that. Something, anything, might be a relationship as well, anything. Two of Swords in your future energies, Two of Swords, Queen of Swords, and the Hanged Man. So I'm seeing that things, they are really coming to fruition, and this might even bring you a confusion in your end, that because I'm seeing that you are not getting one offer. It's like more than one things you have now in your future, so now you have to decide. So that's the thing. All right, so let's see why the Five of Rods is here in your overall energy. Two of Cups we have. What else do we have other than Two of Cups? Might be a competition in love, Okay, three of swords we have. So, you know, this might be a competition where more than two people are involved and you have to fight for someone. Might be for some of you. Yeah. For some of you, it might be, you know, some kind of conflicts arising in your relationships, and you really think that this person is your soulmate, but why are you fighting day and night with this person? You are feeling that, like I love this person, I have so much of love for this person, and but why are we fighting for nothing? Because with the five of rods, it's like the petty issues you are fighting about. It's not big issues. It's like for small things, like you have kept this over here, you have kept that over. I'm not saying about just the love relationship, I'm saying about other relationships as well, like with your friend, with your family. You are just fighting, you're getting involved in a fight, just like that. Let's see why the ten of rods is here in your past energies. Why the ten of rods is here in the past energies for my Leos. Queen of Swords and the Devil over here. Alright, so Queen of Swords has turned twice in your reading, with the Temperance as well over here. For the Ten of Wands, so it's a lot of pressure and you have to decide, you have to, you know, sometimes you have to keep your emotions aside. So that is why I'm seeing, see, you have got Knight of Swords, you have got King of Swords, and you have got Queen of Swords and King of Swords. So it's like all the power, all the actions were there in your past energies only. I'm seeing that. And you were cut off from the world, you were cut off from your emotions, no emotions involved, please. That is the thing I'm seeing. And you know, you might be even working on yourself in your past. Yeah, I'm seeing that you were working really hard for something. You were like working day and night. You were like, I'm fighting this battle, and whomsoever, like, might be a family person, might be yourself, you might be doing a lot of harsh work. See, with this, I'm seeing that you might be even gaining some kind of balance, like you are avoiding, you are ending the bad stuff in your life, basically some kind of addiction in your life, with drugs problem, or some other issues where you have a lot of addiction, lust kind of a thing. All right, and you have started becoming a saint kind of a person, like being from a devil, you are becoming a saint. You know, finding a balance in your life, finding that thing in your life. That is what is happening in your past. Let's see why the Knight of Swords is there in your past energies. Why the Knight of Rods? See, fiery with the Four of Swords. So I'm seeing that there was no time to rest even. You were like, no, I have to complete it. It was like, you know, when you get a task for a day and you are not able to complete it by the end of the day, you have to work for shifts, you have to work overtime. That's what you are doing. Like it was like no time to sleep as well, because you have to complete your task. Why the King of Swords is here? The Sun and the World. Okay, so yes, it was like, you know, I have to really complete the work, whatever is assigned to you, whatever, you know, it was like that. This is the time I can do, this is the time I can just show my talent, I can show that I can do something. This might be a relationship for some of you, for which you have worked really hard to get that person's attention. Okay, so, and you actually worked really hard, and I am thinking that, you know, it was like you gave your 100% in this thing, you gave your 100%. Why the Ten of Swords is here in your present energies? Why the Ten of Swords is here? Five of Swords. Alright, what else do we have? Four of Cups and Queen of Rods. let's see. Okay, so with this I'm seeing that, you know, there was some kind of a deception as well from someone who was really near or dear to you in the present only. Something might have happened because of all this, because your mind was into something else, that everything got disturbed in your present. You know, at your present, someone is like not accepting the love which you are offering to them. Somebody is not showing the real faces, and you know, you are waiting for that yes, basically, because you have really worked hard for this thing, and it's like still it's a no from the other end. It's a no, it's like an ending, and you are waiting for this thing, that please at least tell me the answer, whatever it is, like yes or no, whatever it is, please tell me. I'm waiting. See, you're waiting. You're waiting for a yes to happen. With the 10 of cups I'm seeing in the present. Alright, so let's see what's the future. Why the two of swords is there in your future energies? Nine of swords and the queen of pentacles. So yes, I'm seeing that you are very determined, and you actually, you know, you are worried about that. You're worried to lose someone. You're worried that I might lose someone, because you are really, you know, with this energy I'm seeing, see how much determined you are. Like, I want this. See the way she is standing, she is so determined, she is so stable, and she knows what to do. I'm not seeing that there is a problem with the options. I'm seeing that it is like, you know, the option, you know what to do, but it's just the other end that has to say yes. You are ready to give your 100% to your work, to your finances, to everything, to your relationships. You are giving your 100% to everything, but you know, from the other end, it's like nothing is coming back. No one is responding. You know where to go. You are stable. You are very much stern in this thing. Let's see why the queen of swords is here in your future energies. Justice and four of pentacles. See, you are not letting go of anything. You have balance. You know what to do. You know where to say yes, where to say no. It's like that. You are still holding on to whatsoever this thing is. You are not letting go. See, you are hanging up over here. You are waiting. You are waiting for a yes. You are working. In fact, in this period as well, in this waiting period, you are not just sitting over there and waiting. You are even, you know, working on yourself. You're trying to analyze. You are trying to find out the reason why the other party or the other thing is not saying yes. Why someone is not accepting what you are offering. Why? That why question you are actually finding. I'm seeing your future energies, that whatever this is, so you are finding the answer. You are trying to find the answer. Let's see why the hangman is here. The tower. Alright. The emperor. And the 10 of swords. Alright. So because the 10 of swords was here as well in your present, so I'm seeing that. So if anyone, so for some of you, it's like in the present only the ending has been done. You know, someone has already said no to you, and you are in the near future, you are for this ending, because of the tower and 10 of swords coming together. It's like an ending which is just, you know, about to happen, and it will be really sudden, whatever this thing is. But you are trying to find out that what is the reason behind that. You are not just sitting over there and thinking. You are actually analyzing the facts. You are gaining the facts. You are researching on it, that what is actually happening. Why is it like that? Why? Alright, so that's all from my side, my Leos. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.